Firstly, is there any physical connection being established? Usually people are very adverse to touching someone they don't feel comfortable with, whether it's just like slight touch of the hand, hand on the shoulder, even things as small as a hug at the end of the date. Laughter is always a great sign of a first date because who doesn't love someone who can bring out that belly aching laughter in them? Another great sign would be, are you getting a second date? I think a lot of people fail to actually secure the second date on the first date. But then also just to make sure it's like, are you having fun throughout the date? Right? Did you feel better at the end of the date than you did going into the date, knowing that most people have these butterflies when they go into the dates? But if you can really let those butterflies settle and just really step into who you are and have fun, chances are you had a pretty good first date. And if you had a good first date, there's a high likelihood that the other person enjoyed themselves as well.